Fucking double tier piece.
Piss off on you.
Just give it to. Just give it.
Monkey bomb.
Talk about a bad open.
Bomb bag on blue.
Get the bombs.
Bag about to drop on red.
You guys took one of our security guards, thank you.
You're welcome.
It was obvious you guys needed the help. Yeah.
I think red only needs one more.
Monkey's
Yeah.
bomb.
Yeah, it's 1-3 right. 20 seconds to new operator.
Chaz has a bomb.
Get that engineer.
Hurry up and pop them.
Bomb bag on blue.
Okay, red's dead. Oh, phase
Goes
2, perfect,
blue.
guys.
Hey, go team.
Come take your security guard back. We don't want him anymore.
You go to hell.
Alright, let's get Feldspar down.
You brought your guard back.
Bomb bag drop, move Feldspar.
There's just so much shit. Rupture on.
Damn it. That wasn't fast enough.
Alright, let's get started.
The dude's not even dead yet.
He's
Wow,
close
he's
enough.
close enough.
Want me to
Chaz
bring
and
my...
Lolo come to the
Yep,
bottom.
yep.
Okay.
There's one on top of him.
You see it. Kill it. Okay.
Get ready,
You're
guys.
all on the elementalist. Okay. Boomkin, can you please move to the right?
Everyone needs to be on the primal. Oh! Nice.
Let's get the fire collars down if they're up.
There's only one up right now.
Okay, you see the new elemental.
Get ready, guys. Now.
Everybody's on it.
Group 1, pop your pots if you can.
I popped my stampede.
Ray, taunt back that security guard. I'm gonna taunt that fire caller.
Good job,
Heads
guys.
down. On to the next one.
Clear as fire callers.
Fire collars.
Security guard.
Fire callers from back room. 2 more just spawned. Four fire callers up.
Yeah, get them down.
3.
They're melting.
2.
One got a cauterize off. Okay, they're down.
Alright, they're down. Get the slag elemental. Demon, you got one on you?
Yep, I got it.
Alright, hit down the boss. Burn it.
Get ready, guys.
Ray, bringing you security guard.
Now.
Okay, Chaz, your stampede. Group 2, pot. Everybody's on this primal. Everybody. 15 seconds left. You gotta touch a death for it.
Oh.
No, so close. It's okay, we got a slag elemental right there.
Yeah, but it's in a shield.
I know. It's all good. Just
gotta
keep the
push it out.
shield off of it. Okay, get ready, kill it. And kill it. Good
It's
job,
dead.
good job.
Clear some ads.
2 fire collars up.
That's good. We
Well,
can go.
3
2
up,
more
4
just
up.
spawned.
Oh.
Yeah,
2.
get the fire collars.
Only 2 are up now.
Okay, Frizz, you gotta move closer in.
Okay, only
Holy
1 remains.
Interrupt that so Frizz can get closer. Okay, you see the slag elemental? It's on top. It's the lowest health one.
Can we get the mage up?
Guess we can.
Okay, get ready. It is almost dead.
I have a touch of death for this one.
It is dying right now on the elementals, everyone.
Hey, kill it, kill it, kill it. Use all your cooldowns.
Should we hero for it?
Hero.
Alright, get ready for phase 3, it looks like.
Okay, find triangle, stack on triangle.
If you get something on you, take it to the back of the room.
It's called melt. If you see melt, yep, back of the room. Finish up the fire collars. If you find them, don't stack, careful.
Spinning boss. Everybody
Melt
get
on
in
Shroud
mid.
the God.
Hey, we're gonna
Needin,
tell
get
tanks
ready
when
to
they need
taunt.
to move.
Melt on Chas.
Okay, all fire callers are
Taunt.
dead.
Security, get security
Push up a
guard.
little bit.
Magic, can you pop amp?
Don't worry about the
shit.
slags, just get the other ones.
Yep, everything, all on the...
Push up a little bit.
Yep, move up a little bit, move up a little bit. Tanks, move up.
Taunting.
Melt on Demon.
It's in a corner.
Alright, good.
Just stay behind the boss, everybody. Okay, move the boss up a little bit. We just had a melt on the side of it. Everybody move up.
Melt on Olmec.
Taunt.
Okay, move up. Keep moving up. We got a lot of the room left. He's about halfway, so we're doing great. Melt on magic. You're good right here for a little bit. Okay, move up a little bit.
Needin's down.
Do we have a battle
Get
res?
needing up, get needing.
Out for 2 minutes and 3 seconds.
Got it.
No, it was used.
I have an amp, so
Okay.
you can call when you need it.
Yep. Melt on Olmec. Melt on Olmec. Move up. You gotta move up further. They got dropped ahead. Yep, tanks move.
Olmec,
Big
you
jump.
just dropped it in the... Oh, never mind.
Hit magic.
Top amp.
Mine's on a cooldown for 10 seconds.
Yeah, Olmec's got it.
Roll it down.
It's okay, we're doing good. Just keep the tanks up. Everybody use personals, pots, everything.
1 million health.
Melt on
Okay,
monkey,
it's dead.
melt on monkey,
Good job, guys.
melt on monkey. Good job.
Good
Good
kill.
job.
Excellent. Excellent job, everybody. Somebody get Rolo up.
Same fucking tier. That'd be bullshit.
Trinket!
Watch Needin's health.
Needin!
Heal Needin. Says shit runs off.
Oh man, nice tank trinket.